Hi traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to make complete trading account with Fresh Forex Broker. So first we'll make complete trading account with Fresh Forex Broker, and after this we make a trading account in this broker, and then we connect trading account with MetaTrader 5. So at the end of this video you will be completely ready to trade in real market. So let's start. First you need to click on the link given in video description. So this is main website of this broker. Click on start trading. So this is account registration form. Here you need to write your phone number, here you need to write your email address, click next, write your first name, last name, here you need to confirm your email, open your Gmail, so this is our confirmation code 2935, and click on open real account. So guys, this is your main account dashboard. So we want to open MT5 trading account. This is MT4. So click on real. So select real, select your trading platform MT5. Here you need to choose your account type, ECN. Select account currency, leverage, and swap free service, yes, and click on open account real. So guys, this is your trading account. To connect this trading account we need three things: account number, server name, and password. So open your Gmail, open this mail. So these are trading account details. This is login number, trading account password, and server name. Now open MT5 trading platform. Go to file option, open an account. Here you need to search your broker. Click on find your company, Fresh Forex, select next, connect with existing account. Here you need to paste your login number. This is our login number. Paste here. Here you need to paste your password. This is our password. And select your server name, Fresh Forex MT5, and click on finish. So in this way you can connect your trading account with MT5 trading platform. Now you are almost ready to trade in real market. Now you need to complete your personal data. Roll down and select this option, personal data. So here you need to provide some more information: city name, date of birth, ID card number, and address. And here you need to upload your ID card front and back picture. Fresh Forex will verify your document within After verification, click on deposit. So these are deposit method in Fresh Forex. You can deposit through Bitcoin, Tether, Perfect Money, Web Money. All cryptocurrency methods available in this broker. So guys, I hope you found this video very helpful. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.